Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing Life aka Squishy Scammer. And sorry for all the videos that you guys aren't interested in because like how the bad lightning is and really boring and cringy. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Sorry for that happening. Look at my little dog. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing a Life of a Squishy Scammer. And I'm using my phone and I really don't know how to like examine, like do all this really cool stuff with it. Like skip things and pause it, but then the video still be going. I just want to get that out of the way first. And the next thing I want to say is that's it basically. Sorry for it being so very cringy. But yeah, let's get started with this video. Oh my gosh, I just got my weekly allowance. I think I want to buy some squishies. I mean, why not? Ooh. Let me write down all the ones I want to buy. This panda bun is really cute. Got them done. Okay. Let me just DM her and tell her everything that I want. Oh shoot. Everything that I want. Can I please have a panda bun, a large strawberry, a long breadstick bread, and eel face bread, stick, and other breads. Okay, just DM'd her. Well, now I just wait till she just, I guess, DMs me back or like texts me back, I guess. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I just heard my phone. Where's my phone? Oh, okay. Someone just DM'd me. Oh. Hey guys, I forgot y'all guys are here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to, someone DM'd me because she wanted some squishies. So, yeah. And just to let you know, I'm like the best squishy seller ever. Like, I make everybody happy. Like, they rate me 5 stars. Let's just say that. She texted me, can I have a panda bun? A lot of stuff. She texted me a lot of stuff. So, let's just see. Wow, she ordered a lot of stuff. Okay. Oh, okay. Send it off. Oh my gosh, she texted like so fast. Oh, she said, thanks for coming to my shop. The things will be, all the squishies will be delivered in 5 days. That's really soon. That's very good. So, guess I'll wait and look at more squishies to order. Oh my gosh. I really don't want to use all my squishies. Do you like my new hack, guys? Okay, time to get on order. So the first one she said that she wanted was a Panda Bun squishy. No. I only have one Panda Bun squishy. I'm not gonna give her that. So I think I might have some fake. I think I have a fake one I can use. Let me see. There's some of my fake ones in here. All of mine that I'm probably gonna give her a fake because she doesn't even know how to spell. So she, who cares? I have two homemade Panda squishies. So this one I just made before she DM'd me. And it's super slow rising. This one was a fail. You're gonna get nose stuff all over it. This was a fail. It looks like a ghost. But it's more jumbo, and she did say that she wanted it large, I think. Let me check. And plus, I think. Let me check if she wanted it large. Yeah, she said she wanted medium, not large. Okay, well, this is a slightly thicker and bigger than the decent looking one. I mean, this is really good. Very slow rising. But I guess I'll just give her this scary looking ghost one. It's slow rising, but pops up really fast. Maybe she'll just think that's not there and just look at this side, because obviously she doesn't know how to spell, so she's probably stupid, right? Oh my gosh, I don't even have a box. And this is worth, oh my gosh, $15? You know what? I think I might have a James Avery bag. Yeah, I just use this tissue paper. Okay, I got this James Avery bag. Hopefully all the squishies in here. So there's her Panda Bun that she ordered. Dang, I can like get out this small freaking living in my dad's freaking extra freaking room. My mom and dad's extra small room. Even though I'm a teenager, I could move to like NYC or something, girl. So I'm making that money. Okay, so next one she said she wanted was a LOL squishy. Is that like even a thing? A LOL squishy? This is my sister's favorite. But what the heck? That's not even a freaking squishy. So I remember I went to my little cousin's birthday party and I got this LOL like regular ball, but it is somehow slow rising squishy, so I might as well give her that. But she was expecting a whole freaking LOL. I'm like, that's not even on my page, stupid. But yes, that's going. And plus it's a keychain, and that little squishy was $20. So she posed supposedly the only thing that's close to it. I don't have LOLs on my page, but whatever. So yeah, that's gonna go. It was $20 for a like something else, but it wasn't an LOL at all. She just said LOL thing, and the closest thing is to LOL was $20. So that's going in, and I'm saving this other slow rising Panda Bun for myself. So the next thing she wanted was a Yuck face breadstick. Not sure what the heck that is. But the only thing I think that's close to it, is this like homemade breadstick. It was slow rising. She wanted it to be slow rising. It is pretty good. I want it for myself even though it's homemade. I'm giving her all my homemade squishies. And this is really good. And this is like all black because it had a face on it, but smeared off. So the back part is pretty good. This was how much? Oh my gosh, this was $50. So yeah. Look, there's still the dents in it. But I mean, it is one of my favorites. Look, the bag is already getting filled. The next thing that she ordered was a toast. Bread. I mean, just a regular bread. Wait, was it toast? Oh, she ordered a toast. I have this toast. It was a paper squishy toast. It's not slow rising at all. Just like cotton. But that's going into the bag. She's expecting, what makes so funny is that she's expecting to get all the raw ones, but since I'm being so nice, I'm getting her all my homemade squishies. That's how nice I am. So the next thing that she ordered was like a bread pastry. The closest thing I have to that is this sponge one that I always make my regular squishies out of. Well, there's her squishy. It has sneeze all over it. I mean, it does look pretty realistic. I mean, it's like a rosy color, like a cooked bun, like bread. It's just a square, but into the bag it goes. What's the next one that she wanted? The next one she wanted, I believe, was a bun bread, but the closest thing I have to that was this thing that's not really even squishy. I'm just gonna put like a little, take out the bag, because that's what I make to use bags for the paper squishies, but I'm just gonna add like a sponge in it or something, because I don't care what she thinks, because I'm so nice, you know. I have a lot of sponge. So this is what she's gonna get. She's gonna get a bread with sponges in it. Because I'm so nice and generous. I love giving people all the hard work that I make. Gosh. Okay. Going in the bag. So that was like, oh, there's another one. She wanted, where is it at? She wanted a unicorn, but I don't have a unicorn. I do, but I'm not going to give it to her. I'm just going to give her this unicorn paper squishy pillow. It's my pillow edition, so she better be happy. I guess I'm going to put this wrapping paper inside. You know what? I think I'm just going to put it in this box. Not like I really like it anyway. And crumb it up the bag so I could stuff it in there. Then I'm going to put this over it. Like, she really... Actually, no. You know what? I have an idea. I'm going to dump this out so she can give me like really 5 stars so I can get paid for it, and then she's going to get a really good surprise because The packaging is gonna be look good, but the squishies aren't gonna be so good. So that's her bad. You know how like sometimes they're wrapped up in a squishy package? That's how I'm gonna do it. Because I'm so smart. Not this panda bun, this panda bun. The unicorn one isn't even slow rising. That's why I gave it to her. And also because I'm very nice. Again, I'm very nice. So y'all guys, come to Kilea Loves Squishies because she has the best squishies. And put the rest of these three together. Okay. Shove it in there. Oops, one of the squishies fell. Perfect packaging. Now I just have to go put it, you know what, I don't really care. Just gonna go tell the guy to ship it out. Oh my gosh, it's been forever. Oh wait, I think I hear someone at the door. Okay guys, so I got this weird package, and the only package the only package that I ordered was a squishy package. But yeah. Hey guys, sorry I didn't do the real first part. I really don't know what this is. It's a really ratchet thing. I didn't see anything, but I think this might be like a surprise thing. I see like a red thing, some tissue paper. I don't want to see anything, so I'm covering up. I really don't know what's in here, but I wasn't expecting anything. But yeah, let's just get this opened. Wait, there was a letter at my doorstep. There's a letter at my doorstep. It's very bad. My squishy package says, thanks for shopping at Kilea Loves Squishies. I mean, yeah, that's the one I ordered from, but oh my gosh, this is such a horrible packaging. This is 1 star. Already, 1 star. Oh wait, this has the squishy that I ordered to check. And like it has a freaking hole in it. And it has the words up here only, not down here. Okay, so the first one I ordered was a panda bun, but I really don't know because it's all just crammed up in here. So when I took off the thing, I see these two. I know I ordered a pastry toast. But I think this is a nice, it's like an extra. But that's a very nice extra. Look at homemade, whatever this is. Squishy? I mean, it's pretty squishy. It's not very slow rising. But maybe she has a homemade squishy shop too. Then I also see this toast, and I did order a toast, which is very funny. But she gave me like one of her fake ones or like homemade ones. That's cool. And it was very funny because I had pink jam too. It's just like cotton. Then I see this layer. It's like jammed in there. And this kind of reminds me of a James Avery bag. Oh my gosh. There's not even extras in here. I don't think so. Look at this. What's in this bag? What the heck? I ordered a... You know what? I'm starting to think I got scammed. I mean, I'm not 100% sure. But I ordered a bread toast just like this. And it was like, on her page, I saw this exact same one, but like realistic and way better. And I could tell it's the one that was on. So hopefully this is just, maybe she gave me all like the ones like her made ones and then the one I ordered. But this is too tiny for all the big squishies I ordered. Oh, you put out this. This is very nice. What the heck is this? This looks like a moldy thing, but it's really just marker, I could tell. Well, it looks like a moldy thing. And all I know that's this long that I ordered, which is supposed to be longer, it's supposed to be... Let me go check. 10 inches long. This long. I knew it wasn't going to fit in this thing anyway. I just thought they, like, somehow packaged it up, like, folded it. But this is tiny. It's not even the freaking size of my freaking hand. I'm so mad. This is very disappointing. Like, I mean, it's really good quality. Like, it's not really, but like slow raising, and it has really good texture. But this is like a homemade thing too. And see, it's very slow rising, but I don't know why it's like that. And I'm starting to think that this was actually one of my squishies, and so was this. Because the rest that's in the package was this. I mean, that's two more. I remember I ordered a panda bun. That's the only thing that's circle, but it's yellow, the same color. These. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope this is my panda bun. It's not even slow rising. I mean, it... Ugh, this is disgusting. Look at this. It's pitch black. And it looks like a freaking double ghost or something. And look, it all pops up at the top. I mean, it's funny, but like, it's not really, because I'm mad. I'm really not liking this, guys. It's making me very mad, kind of. But it's just, I don't like it. What's in here? I mean, it's like stress. Oh no. I ordered a unicorn, not a unicorn piece of paper that has like a bag in it. I did it, and it's not even squishy. I mean, it's cute, but like, it's horrible. Like, it's just paper. I mean, 0 stars. Don't recommend. Keelah loves squishies. Sorry guys, you're hearing my background. But I'm so mad. Like, I paid over $100 for this package. Like, so like, that's so disappointing. And I already rated it 5 stars. Because at first it said 5 days and it took like 5 months. So that's very disappointing. one more thing in here. And the only thing that I didn't get was my LOL squishy. So this possibly could be it. I mean, this is the only real deal squishy. But the only thing I don't really like about this is that, like, I mean, it's very slow rising. This is like the best of the whole group. But, like, come on now. Like, I ordered a full body, like, a regular body for my little sister. My little sister loved LOLs, and all she gave me was this ball. Are you serious? And she was expecting a regular LOL size body squishy. And all I get, at least it smells good. Ugh! Usually the pastries smell good. They don't smell good. But she didn't even give me extras. Like, really? And I freaking changed every bag. Really bad quality. I can't even get my money back because I already rated it 5 stars. But thanks, guys. I got scammed. But very disappointing. How could I just like play with this? Bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Sorry for all, like, if I made mistakes or something, and sorry how long it took to make this video. But please like and share and subscribe. And yes, all I used was my paper squishies again. And my homemade squishies and my paper squishies. But thanks for watching my channel, and subscribe again, and like this video, and comment, and ring the notification bells if you guys want to get all the new videos that I make. And peace.